Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Nguyễn Hữu Dũng from the University of Transport Technology, Hanoi, Vietnam. Here's my presentation about the European Union Vietnam Free Trade Agreement EVFTA, opportunities and challenges for Vietnam seafood exports. As contents, therefore, introduction, materials and methods, results and discussion, conclusion. First, introduction. The European Union (EU) has always been known as one of the leading seafood export markets of Vietnam for many years. Vietnam and EU have signed EVFTA, taking effect on August 1st, 2020. This event expected to create new breakthrough opportunities for Vietnam seafood exports to the EU market, thanks to a series of brancher tariff commitments. However, seafood export to the EU market still face many difficulties from non-tariff measures such as rules of origin, technical measures (TBT), and sanitary and epidemiological measures (SBS), anti-dumping measures. Therefore, the article clarifies the opportunities and challenges of Vietnam when exporting seafood to the EU market. Error and methods. The study uses descriptive, statistic, comparative analysis, and secondary data from reports of the Vietnam Association of Seafood Exporters and Producer (VASEP) and go on to analyze and evaluate the actual situation. Vietnam seafood export to the EU markets in the period 2010-2021, identifying opportunities, challenges, strengths, and weaknesses, especially when Vietnam has signed EVFTA with the EU. Result and discussion. EVFTA and regulation affecting Vietnam seafood exports. The basic contents of the agreement affecting seafood exports of Vietnam can be mentioned as follows. Firstly, tariff commitments. Secondly, commitment on rules of origin. Thirdly, commitment on technical trade matters (TBT). Fourthly, commitments on food hygiene and safety measures and animal and plant quarantine (SBS). Fifthly, trade remedies and anti-dumping and anti-subsidy measures. 6. Commitment to intellectual property. 7. Commitments to labor. Opportunity and challenges. First, opportunity. Firstly, Vietnam can access the hard seafood consumption market. Secondly, if FTA between Vietnam and EU is signed, the tax reduction will be reduced to 0%, corresponding to 90% of the products exported to this market. Thirdly, Vietnam will also benefit from an import perspective. Fourthly, the relationship between Vietnam and the EU in the fishery sector has many prospects. Second, challenges. Firstly, EU mainly consists of developed countries with high living standards. Consumption needs, especially food and changing supply. Secondly, Vietnam seafood export will have to compete more fiercely and fairly with local seafood products of nearly non-EU country and seafood products of strong and many seafood export companies. Parents is EU is watching money in foothold and maintaining market share in the EU. Thirdly, strict requirements on rules of raising, dumping, subsidy, and use of trade remedies and also big obstacles Vietnamese seafood industry in responding to trade access to the EU market. Fourthly, benefits from the public debt rises the EU countries to many countries. Fifthly, the fourth seafood EU has that issue a zero card, warning illegal, unwitting, and undeclared fishing for Vietnam seafood export to the EU, getting a more complicated environment when EU two sides are promoting trade investment cooperation. Some information to promote Vietnamese seafood export to the EU in the context of implementation of EVFTA. Therefore, measures. Firstly, improving business support policy. Secondly, improving policy on market development. Thirdly, improving the product policy. Last one, to well implement regulation on the traceability of origin for aquatic production. Conclusion. Positive developments in bilateral trade and investment relations over the past 2 decades have made EU one of the leading trading partners and one of the largest foreign direct investors into Vietnam. Along with that, we FCI a comprehensive, high quality, and balanced agreement of benefits for both Vietnam and EU. Thank you.